Hello everyone, I'm here for Fiiber and welcome to this week's edition of the weekly Q&A video where I try to answer to your questions or give my opinions on your suggestions. Now this week in tech has been sad because first of all I haven't received any new device to review, so this week I haven't done any review. The device that I had were old devices, Pixel 7 Pro. I've been using the Pixel 7 Pro and after that I'm still awaiting my new device. Apart from that, Twitter has been very sad. The situations at Twitter has been very sad. So people, Elon Musk has taken over and he has taken some drastic steps. The latest news is that about 3,000 employees will be fired very soon. Then the blue tick subscription news and so much more has been going at Twitter. So things are sad at Twitter, things are sad at me. But that won't disrupt this episode, so without any further ado, let's take your question and get started with this episode. The first question comes from Mehboob Hassan. Mehboob Hassan asks, where can we buy? So he's talking about the Moto G72. Well, the Moto G72 can be bought from Flipkart and the price is set at 18,999 rupees. And it's a 4G smartphone. It offers clean Android experience. The camera quality is very decent. And if you want to know more about the Moto G72, be sure to check out my review on the Fiiber English channel. But yeah, as to answer your question, you can purchase the Moto G72 from Flipkart at 18,999 rupees. The next question comes from Vishal Giri and he says, excited to see what's going to be this month's surprise gadget. Already have a TWS and a smartwatch, so didn't participate in those giveaways. Well, I think Vishal is referring to the upcoming giveaway. Well, Vishal, that's a surprise. We are coming up with some exciting giveaways and tech gadgets like smartwatches, TWS, and everything is planned for the coming months. So I would say stay tuned to the channel and Ashri will be bringing things pretty soon. In fact, she's already planning for a video which will be dropping very soon on the channel. So keep an eye and exciting things coming ahead. The next question comes from Mohammad Shoaib Khan. Iska price or work kaisa hai? So Mr. Shoaib Khan is talking about the OnePlus Nord Watch. Well, OnePlus Nord Watch, if I can sum up in a few words, well, it brings elegance into the budget. So priced at about 5,000 rupees, I think so. The OnePlus Nord Watch looks great. Ashri has the blue color watch. And I have done a few hands-on with the OnePlus Nord Watch, and in my brief time with the smartwatch, I think it operates very smoothly. And Ashley even told me that the battery life has been good. I even appreciate the fact that calling features are available on the OnePlus Nord Watch. So for a price of about 5,000 rupees, I think so OnePlus Nord Watch is a very good buy. And to know more about the OnePlus Nord Watch, you can always check out her review on the Fiiber Hindi channel. The next question comes from HL Kahar. भाई मैंने ये मोबाइल 30 अक्टूबर 2022 को लिया था. चार्जिंग का टाइम इसका हीटिंग issue आ रहा है. Did you feel this issue? So I did not come across this charging issue on the Reno 7 Pro. Manas has used the phone and even I have also used the phone. I even made a sponsored video for my previous employer, and despite that I would say that Reno 7 Pro is not a very good phone. But charging issue was not the thing that I ever faced with the phone. So it charges very fast, about 30 minutes. A full charge takes about 30 minutes. So if you are facing any kind of a heating issue, I would suggest going to the battery settings and turn on optimized battery charging and try charging your phone at night. But still, if the heating issue persists, I would say take your phone to the Oppo service center and get it fixed. Maybe that's where the problem lies. And with that, we have reached the end of this week's Q&A video. You can always reach out to me with more comments, with more suggestions, questions in the comments below, and do use the hashtag Let's Get Techie. So I will catch you all in a brand new Q&A video next week. Till then, take care of yourselves and thank you for watching.